Hello. Today we're going to be making baked potatoes. First you have to cut the potatoes. You don't have to peel them. Now we have to add the olive, salt, and pepper. Now we have to pour the potatoes Now we have to cut the butter into tiny pieces to spread over the potatoes. Yeah, maybe we can put it in the oven. Now it's time to put the butter on. I'll put it right here. You have to find the first place for the butter. Now it's time to preheat your oven to 425. In the middle of the cooking process, we flipped over the potatoes so both sides can fry. Yeah, and when it's done, you can take it out of the oven and put on the dough. Now I have to transfer them into a bowl. Now we have to put out the grains. Now we're done. You can enjoy your meal. It smells like cotton candy or M&M's. Can you try it? This is very good. I like the texture outside. I like the golden brown color. It crunches on the outside and is very soft on the inside. It's very crunchy on the outside. It's so puffy in the inside. I like the crunches because